very much. 541, Governor Jerry Brown has just signed a law repealing a health code that would have required restaurant workers and bartenders to wear those gloves every time they're preparing your food.
Yeah, this comes after major backlash. News Channel 3's Elise Martinez has a reaction from a local restaurant and diners about the no-glove policy.
In a big victory for small restaurants, workers will not have to put on a pair of gloves every time they prepare food in California. The original law was intended to curb foodborne illnesses.
Just by wearing gloves does not mean you're clean. I see people handle money with those gloves and then make a sandwich.
There was an uproar after it passed because people who opposed the rule argued that hand washing is just as effective as wearing gloves. The manager of the Sojourner in Santa Barbara agrees.
There's more likely to be cross-contamination when people wear gloves because they're less likely to change them out, and they touch all different types of foods. We just wash our hands frequently, and I think that's more sanitary.
This was an about-face for Governor Jerry Brown, who signed the repeal measure on Saturday. Now food workers can keep the gloves off. But not everyone is happy with the hand wash only method.
That's pretty alarming because germs spread. It's not safe, it's not sanitary, it's not healthy.
But some food chains will still use gloves. Food safety experts say no matter what, hand washing needs to become more of a priority.
I feel that, dirty hands, right, are the same as dirty gloves. So wearing gloves doesn't necessarily mean that it's any cleaner. So as long as they have clean hands, I feel like it's the same as clean gloves.
The repeal of the glove mandate happened just in the nick of time. Local health agencies would have started to repeal it on Tuesday. In Santa Barbara, I'm Elise Martinez.